So welcome back, kings and queens. I am so excited today. I am doing a screen recording for you guys for the first time. I played with it a little bit yesterday, but I wanted to show you a couple of things. This is the same girl from my last video. I was able to go in and change the text on her shirt, change the color, so you can see some of the variations that you can do with this particular SVG. I really like this one and I'm excited about using it, but I just wanted to show you something else, something that I didn't show you yesterday. I showed you how to change her outfit. You can change the different parts of her earrings, her lips, her shirt, and again I showed you a little trick that I figured out on changing the text of her shirt. But this can maximize one SVG file, so you can use it a variety of ways. You can see I moved it over so I didn't have the text attached to her shirt. I'm not worried about that right now. I'll just move it here for now. But what I wanted to show you is changing her skin color. As you can see, I went over to this section here on the right side. I clicked the one at the top, which gives you a drop down of all the parts of her body. So I want to hit the the second one, which is showing all the parts of her skin. So you see all the brown parts of her skin. And I just want to show you that if you now go to your color section, you can change your skin color to whatever you would like it to be. So now she's a lighter and more gray color type of brown. But if I duplicated her, and I am looking at her skin color on the second one, if I wanted to change her to maybe a golden color, maybe not that golden, I could change her. And so once again, you can just play around. Make sure you highlight all of them when you duplicate her. And you can just play around, move her around. Make sure you are using the correct girl and skin color when you are changing things, because if you're not clicking on the right one, you could be changing the wrong girl. But you can just go in here, whatever your starting color is, that's up to you, but you can change her. And as you can see, I have one SVG file that I am changing multiple ways just to change the skin color on this beautiful girl. And again, you can go back to the other video that I did and you can see just how I changed, her outfits. So if you're doing vendor events, I know a lot of people are talking about vendor events and you want to have a variety of items, this is just another way that you can add variety to your items. Notebooks, cups, t-shirts, what have you. We know skin tone, hair color, all those things are important in our culture. So this is just another way to be able to capture and show pride for a variety of women and reflect what we look like. So I'm just happy to share this. Just something for you to think about. If you haven't tried it, maybe try it. These are SVG files. I did get this from an Etsy page, and I will try to make sure that the link is in the description box. But again, just wanted to give you something short for today. Just play around with different features. You could take one file, flip it a variety of ways, and have unlimited options for your pop-up shops, your events, your again, your books, your pens, your cups, your mugs, t-shirts. I even did tote bags with the original design on it. So it just gives you more option and more options and more things that you can display for your customers. So I hope that helps somebody. All right, you guys have a good day. Bye.